Life is so boring. This isn't just another motivational video like the countless others on YouTube. This is your reboot. Ever open TikTok, scroll for an hour and still feel empty? It's like you're overdosing on content and starving for meaning. Every scroll gives you a quick dopamine hit, but leaves you emptier than before. You binge watch, you binge scroll, you binge everything, except purpose. And then you wonder why everything feels dull. If your life feels boring right now, it's not because you're lazy, it's because your brain is being hijacked. Hijacked by constant notifications, hijacked by endless comparisons on social media, hijacked by a world that rewards distraction over depth. Here's the truth about boredom in 2025 and how to fix it. Chapter 1. You're not bored, you're overloaded. In 2025, you're not just living, you're swimming through an ocean of digital noise. The average person is exposed to over 10,000 digital stimuli per day. Ads that autoplay, notifications that buzz in your pocket, algorithm-curated videos that never stop. And let's be honest, most of us don't even remember the last time we were truly still. It's not that you don't have anything to watch or scroll, it's that you've seen too much. Your brain's fried, not empty. You're not lacking stimulation, you're drowning in it. Think about this. You wake up. First thing, you check your phone. Before your feet even touch the ground, you've already seen 3 Instagram stories, 2 texts, and a trending tweet about something that doesn't even affect your life. You open YouTube to watch one video. Suddenly it's been an hour, and you've watched 15 shorts, none of which you remember. Sound familiar? This digital overload isn't just killing your attention span, it's rewiring your brain. Harvard and Stanford researchers found that constant exposure to digital media causes dopamine desensitization, a chemical overload similar to what happens in drug addiction. Here's a brutal example. You start a Netflix series, but pause it midway to check Instagram. Then hop on Reddit to read posts titled, "Why does life feel so empty?" And still, none of it satisfies you. That's not boredom. That's a cocktail of decision fatigue plus digital overstimulation. It's not that life is boring. It's that you haven't given your brain a chance to just be. Real life warning signs you're overloaded. You can't watch a full movie without checking your phone. You forget why you opened an app 3 seconds after opening it. You feel tired after scrolling, not energized. You crave something, but don't know what. You feel like every day is a blur. Quick fix. The 24-hour dopamine detox. Try this one day, just 24 hours. No reels, no shorts, no endless tabs. Delete Instagram for a day. Turn off YouTube autoplay. Spend time with music, not curated playlists. Songs you actually love. Books, remember those? Nature, a walk without headphones is powerful. People, a real conversation is therapy. You'll be shocked. Not just at how clear your mind feels, but how alive your world becomes again. Chapter 2. You've confused convenience with joy. Boredom isn't the absence of activity, it's the absence of depth. You're living in a world where everything is one click away. Food, entertainment, dating, opinions. And ironically, that kills the thrill. MIT researchers found that delayed rewards activate a part of the brain associated with long-term happiness. That's why slow hobbies like painting, gardening, or journaling make people happier than binging Netflix. Think about how hyped you were as a kid waiting for a birthday or school trip. Now, Amazon delivers your wish list in 6 hours. Fun? Maybe. Fulfilling? Nah. Quick fix. Try slow fun. Cook a full meal. Learn calligraphy. Fix something broken. Things that make you feel present, not just distracted. Chapter 3. Your environment is killing your spark. Sometimes the problem isn't you, it's where you are, physically and socially. Most people live in bland boxes, uninspiring rooms, artificial lighting, same routes, same routines. Your environment is directly linked to creative flow and motivation. Novelty and visual stimulation activate the default mode network, the brain's imagination engine. Fix. Change your setting, even slightly. Rearrange your desk work from a cafe. Put a weird object on your shelf, Add color and natural light. Bonus tip, take a 15-minute awe walk. Stanford researchers prove that regular awe walks increase life satisfaction and reduce emotional numbness. Chapter 4, AI is doing everything. So what's left for you? Let's be real. In 2025, AI writes, designs, edits, composes. So you sit there thinking, what's even the point? A lot of people feel creatively obsolete. It's not boredom, it's existential displacement. Yes, AI is fast, but AI is not you. It can't replicate your humor, pain, memories, stories, culture, weird quirks, or soul. You write a messy poem about your breakup. AI can write one cleaner and faster, but yours hits harder because it's real. You put emotion into it. Your words came straight from the heart. You actually wrote what you feel, not like a machine. And that makes all the difference. Modern Fix, use AI as a tool, not a replacement. Let it help you brainstorm. Let it help you edit. But the soul of the idea, that's yours. Chapter 5. Your body is screaming, but you're not listening. Boredom is sometimes your body begging for movement. WHO reports say that 1 in 3 people globally is now classified as sedentary. And boredom, anxiety, and sleep issues all spike with inactivity. If you're also having trouble sleeping, check out the techniques shared in another video on how to fall asleep fast. You can find the video in the I button above. Fix. Try micro movements every hour. 1-minute jumping jacks, quick walk around the block. Stretch while listening to music. Movement fuels your brain with dopamine, serotonin, and oxygen. Natural boredom killers. Bonus. Even playing real-life tag with friends has been shown to release more endorphins than video games. Final chapter. Boredom is not a bug, it's a compass. Here's the upgrade you needed. Boredom is not your enemy, it's your mind's GPS signal saying, you're off track. Rewrote. It's asking, where's your curiosity? Where's your challenge? Where's your human connection? Write a list called, Things I Haven't Tried Because I Might Look Stupid. Then do one this week, post a cringe video. Join a weird club. Talk to that neighbor. Start a side hustle. Your new mantra, I'm not bored. I'm being called into action. If this hits your soul, comment, I'm alive again. I'll send you back one bold challenge for your week. Subscribe, share, and tag a friend who's stuck in the loop. This isn't just a video, it's your reboot.